In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send and reply to one-to-one emails in HubSpot. To get started, you'll want to first access HubSpot's homepage. This is the main hub for all your business software and tool needs, and it serves as the launching point for everything else you'll do today. Once you've reached the homepage, look for the login button. It should be prominently displayed on the upper right corner or somewhere front and center, depending on any updates or changes HubSpot might have made since this video was created. Now that you've logged in, let's navigate to the HubSpot home. This is where you'll see an overview of all the tools and features HubSpot offers, tailored specifically to your account. Among these features, you'll want to look for the CRM, or Customer Relationship Management System. This is a crucial feature that will help you manage all your interactions with contacts, and it's right where you'll want to be to manage your emails. Next, within the CRM, you'll find a section labeled Contacts. This is where HubSpot stores all the information you have on your clients, customers, or any other relevant individuals or businesses you'll be emailing. Click on Contacts to pull up the list, and from there select a contact you'd like to communicate with. This step is vital as it ensures all your interactions are directly linked to the right person, giving you a streamlined and organized record of communication. With your contact selected, you'll notice an option to send an email. Click on Email, and this will open up a new message window. Here you'll be able to craft your message. Add in all the essential details you want to communicate. You might be required to fill in multiple fields such as the subject line and main body. Ensure the information is clear and concise. Don't forget to double check for any typos or errors, as professionalism is key. Finally, once you are satisfied with the contents of your email, look for the Send button. Clicking this will dispatch your message promptly. It's important to note the option to respond to any incoming messages you might receive. The reply function is just as easy to use. Navigate to a previous email conversation or any incoming email you wish to reply to. Clicking on reply will automatically populate the email, and from there update your response. Sending and replying to emails in HubSpot can significantly enhance your communication process. With this step-by-step guide, you are equipped to conduct efficient and effective one-to-one communications, keeping your professional interactions seamless and streamlined. Thank you for tuning in today, and happy emailing with HubSpot.